Good afternoon, everybody. It is December 9th, 2016. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. I just wanted to update you real quick. Did not sleep well last night, so I may not get to the blog as much today, so I'm just going to make a video. I want to say right up front that there are some rumors going around about a major winter storm this weekend from some Facebook weather sites. There is no truth to that. The snow, as you know, as I've been saying, will probably be well to our north. Now, there was a time where if the rain moved in early enough on Saturday night that it would be a wintry mix. But over the last few days, the system continues to slow down in the model guidance. Probably what's going to happen in our area is precipitation will move in from southern Missouri and Arkansas on Saturday night. Let's just go ahead and advance to this storm system. I'll show you what's going to happen. Here we are on Sunday morning, about 11 a.m., maybe 12 p.m. Area low pressure over southwest Oklahoma. Of course, the low spins counterclockwise. That pulls up Gulf moisture. A warm front will be situated somewhere right in here. This system is going to be pulling warmer air into our region. I would not be surprised if Saturday night, if the low temperatures actually occur early in the night. As we move through the night, we might actually see temperatures rising. I do think that since the system has slowed down, the warm air will have more time to move northward. It appears at this time unlikely that we will even experience a wintry mix. With that said, if precipitation arrives sooner than expected on Saturday night, there could be a brief period of wintry mix. It would probably be late at night. More likely, however, is the precipitation begins on Sunday after the temperature has risen above freezing. We'll keep an eye on it, but there is no truth that a major winter storm is moving into the tri-state area. Let's go ahead and move forward. You see snow over northern Illinois. If you have travel plans this weekend to central northern Missouri, central northern Illinois, Indiana, if you have to drive up here, prepare for a winter storm. Some heavy snow is likely to fall. There will be travel problems. Our area, mostly rain. Let's move into Sunday afternoon. You see the area of low pressure over northeast Illinois. Cold front will trail back here. Warm front up here. Heavy snow to the north of the low, northeast of the low. Warm air in our area. Rain. Maybe a rumble of thunder, but right now that looks unlikely. I'll keep an eye on that. As we move into Sunday night, late, and Monday morning, the low pulls into Michigan. Cold front back here. Now, Canadian high pressure once again builds back in behind this system. That will deliver more cold air. We'll warm up in advance of the system. We'll cool down behind it. Keep moving forward. Stop here at 6 a.m. on Monday morning. Rain over Kentucky. Rain all the way into western New York. Area of low pressure well up here into Canada. High pressure moving in, cooling us down on Monday and Tuesday again. The next big question becomes the potential for another Arctic outbreak of cold air. That would be lows down into the teens, highs in the 20s or 30s for our area, well below normal for this time of year. Arrives about Tuesday or Wednesday. Now, as you know, meteorologists cannot forecast with accuracy snowfall totals more than 24 or 48 hours in advance, and sometimes not even that. I've watched winter storms occur where the forecast changes while it's snowing. Keep that in mind. When you see these 4 or 5 day predictions for snowfall, take it with a grain of salt. Nobody can forecast snowfall totals with accuracy more than 24 or 48 hours in advance. Can I tell you it might snow next week? Yes. Can I tell you amounts? No. Let's move forward. We move into Tuesday morning, big high pressure, cold air, Canadian high pressure bringing cold air down. Keep moving forward. And what may happen is a disturbance moves in from the west. You see it here. Maybe some wintry precipitation Tuesday night and Wednesday. This is the GFS model. We're talking several days away. I'll keep an eye on it, as always, and update daily. Tuesday and Wednesday next week, more cold air comes in, maybe a precipitation event. Let's keep moving forward. We'll go into Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Again, big Canadian high pressure. In the wintertime, when you see these highs coming out of Canada, bitterly cold air comes with them. Keep moving forward into Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, high pressure centered over us. If this is correct, next Thursday night and Friday may be a repeat of what we just had. Another big blast of cold air, well below normal temperatures. Keep moving forward in time here. High pressure just keeps building in. Look at these highs that keep moving in from Canada. Remember, the forecast for December was colder than normal. Another winter storm developing out here off the coast of California. To keep an eye on that as well. We move into next weekend. Canadian high pressure builds in. This is a big high pressure, 1,047 millibars. This would be bitterly cold air if the GFS correct. And it does have some support from other model guidance. Look at this big winter storm developing out to the west, California, moving into Nevada, Utah. Keep an eye on that. Sometimes these systems come in from out here and we have to deal with them later. Moving to next weekend, we'll start to watch this system cross the Rockies and move into the central U.S. Another big Canadian high pressure comes down. Let me switch over to temperature anomaly map. Okay, so this map is going to show you how many degrees above or below normal temperatures will be. Keep in mind, normal highs for this time of the year are around 48 degrees for highs and around 28, 29, 30 degrees for low temperatures. Let me get this graphic for you. All right, so what this map is showing you are temperature anomalies. What does that mean? How many degrees above or below normal? Here's your scale. Here's your below normal colors. Here's your above normal colors. Blue and pink and white, below normal temperatures. These pinks, well above normal temperatures. So let's move through. Let me get this fixed. I'm sorry. Let's move through the next 7 to 10 days. Remember those high pressure centers I told you about coming down from Canada? You're going to see that by these below normal temperatures. Each high pressure will bring in a chunk of below normal temperatures. And look at the source region, Western Canada, the Arctic, very cold air, well below normal temperatures for much of the United States. Keep moving forward. December 9th. Okay, this is the current. We move into Saturday. Look how much of the nation is below normal. Watch what happens back here. We'll move into Sunday. Here comes our storm system with rain. What happens is the low moves north of us. If you're on the south side of the low, you're on the warm side of it. Warm temperatures moving northward. That will create our rain. It will also help with the snow to the north. What happens when the low passes? We get back into the colder air. Here comes that next high pressure. Look to the north, look to the northwest. Next Wednesday, Thursday, here we go again. Much of the nation below normal. Keep moving forward. Next weekend, another big chunk of cold air comes down. When it's all said and done, December will end up below normal to well below normal in the temperature department. The question has always been, can we get one of these storm systems to mix with the cold air? As I've said, I would be surprised if we do not see some snow over the next couple of weeks, because we have plenty of cold air and we have numerous systems to monitor now. What happens in our area a lot of times is the low moves to our north and we end up in rain and then it gets cold. That happens a lot around here. December snow is bonus snow. I always tell people, yeah, we can have some big snow systems in December, but January and February, first week of March, that really is our snow season. December is a bonus snow. So you snow lovers, I know you're out there, you want snow. We may get some winter precipitation over the next couple of weeks. There's plenty of cold air. It's just a matter of getting a system to mix with that cold air. We'll just keep moving forward. Now we're way out to December 23rd, Christmas Eve. Some of the data suggests a storm system around the 23rd, 24th, 25th. Keep an eye on that. That's way out there. It does have some support in the ensembles. We'll keep an eye on it. I know some of you would love to have a white Christmas. Not impossible this year. Maybe the odds are a little higher this year. Again, long way out. Keep an eye on it. One thing is for sure. This cold air, it's going to stick around. We may have brief intrusions of above normal temperatures, but for the majority of the time over the coming weeks, it appears that we will have below normal temperatures to even well below normal temperatures. If this pattern continues in January and February, it's going to be a bitterly cold winter. And of course, storm systems in January and February, we would have a better chance of some snow. Not making you any promises. Remember, my belief on long-range forecasting, it's a little bit of skill and a whole lot of luck. It's like going to Vegas. We cannot give you specifics. I can tell you December is going to end up below normal in temperature department. What I cannot tell you is what you really want to know. How much snow will we have a month ahead of time? Will there be an ice storm 2 months ahead of time? If you see people forecasting that, again, take it with a grain of salt. Nobody can forecast specific events that we all care about that far in advance. We can just give you generalities: above normal precipitation, below normal precipitation, colder than normal. All right? Most of you know this already. Just reminding you. Okay, so that's it for today. I will put this video on the blog and Facebook. May not get to a blog update today, but I'll go ahead and put this on the free site. Remember, you can subscribe to the text messages and winter storm outlooks by going to weathertalk.com or bodotsandweather.com. It's $3 a month. The money goes to pay for all these graphics. It also goes to charity events. Okay, so have a good weekend. Probably update later tonight, probably on Saturday though, more likely. And I'll be on top of whatever develops over the coming 6 to 7 days. But for right now, those rumors about a big winter storm this weekend in southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, western Kentucky, southeast Missouri, they are not true. Have a good day.